Early on in 2020, I get a phone call from a college buddy, Travis, asking me if I would like to go to Isle Royale, which I've already been there, but not with a canoe and not fishing. He told me that we could find some lake trout potentially, and I thought, well, that would be fun to get into those. And get into them, we did. Told you he spits.
Yeah.
He got off.
Oh, that sucks. Dude, that was total Laker.
I know. How did I get off?
Alright. Easy now. Easy now. Yeah! Boy! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Dude. Jesus, don't tip us. There we go. Dude, that thing hit a surface bait.
Dude, it did. Wow.
I don't think it beats 25 and a half, but
I have a tape.
I don't think I gotta measure it. It's not over 25 and a half, but
I know, but
you don't gotta.
I think it could be. Here. Measure that fucker.
Get.
Just hold him up. Eyeball it.
Yeah. Yeah, he's like, tail pincher 24.
Nice fish.
24.
We should eat him.
You want to? Or, I mean, we have an entire lake trout at home, Trav. If you want to try to keep it for tomorrow, but I think we can get them whenever we want them, Trav. That's sweet. Self netter.
Pretty fish. Got a little reach on it.
Parasite. I don't know if it's good or not. Guess it'll stay. Nice work. Where we saw the fish marks, we go straight ahead here. Then we'll bank right before we get to that shallow reef. We're at 20. Okay. You bet.
And I just tip straight up, bring him right out of the net.
You bet. Ooh, and the lure's out now. Nice, dude. That's a great eater. If we were gonna eat them, I would eat that one. If it's 15, we'd check. But it looks like that's a good eater. But we don't need any. See ya. Got her lit. Can you explain what we're eating here, Trav?
Well, there's a large trout in there. A huge hunk of butter you see staring at you on top. We have
Should melt.
some water. We got dried tomatoes. We got a mixed bag. It seemed like it was like corn, celery,
Onions, peppers.
and just a mix of different herbs. So this is gonna
Couple cloves of garlic.
basically a lake trout stew, fish boil. This is gonna be something special right here.
With storms rolling in behind Travis.
We're just sitting under a tarp in a mosquito net having a fish boil. It's the end of a good day.
This is a backcountry experience.
It's the end of a good day. The Trout Gumbo is done. Oh, it's just so good. It's like a fatty, delicious, creamy, oily, tomato paste, garlic. Oh my God, everything's just mixing together.
Half a stick of butter in there.
Oh my god. It's just like, look at that. It's just like oily butter goodness. Trout.
Marinated trout
Was
in the
alive 2 hours ago.
lemon pepper and sweet and hot salt or spice for the marinade, dry rub.
It's just like skin still on. The skin tastes good.
Boiled
just,
in corn and onion and tomato and pepper, dehydrated, boiled and simmered.
It's the best meal of the trip. Look at that fish. Look at that white meat.
Glad you wanted to keep 2 trout. This was worth it. Late night snack as the
Earned it.
rain starts to fall.